If you've watched the last two videos, you've already done something most people never do. You understand why consistent investing matters. You know how to set up the system, and that puts you genuinely ahead of most people your age. But today, I want to talk about something uncomfortable, because most investors don't fail by doing nothing. They fail by doing small things that feel completely reasonable, that quietly eat away at their progress over years. No warning signs, no dramatic moment, just slow, invisible damage. Let me show you exactly what that looks like. Mistake 1. Checking your account too often. This one sounds harmless, responsible even. You open the app, you check your balance, maybe again tomorrow, maybe again that same evening. And slowly, without realizing it, your emotions get attached to the numbers. When it's up, you feel smart. When it's down, you feel nervous. When it drops significantly, you feel afraid. And fear changes behavior. Research consistently shows that investors who monitor their portfolios daily are significantly more likely to make impulsive decisions. Not because they're weak, because they're human. Volatility looks dangerous up close. From a distance, it looks like normal variation. The solution is simple. Check your investments quarterly, once every 3 months. That's enough to stay informed, not enough to get emotional. A tree doesn't grow faster because you stare at it. Your portfolio works the same way. Mistake 2. Stopping contributions when markets fall. This is one of the most expensive mistakes a long-term investor can make, and it feels completely logical when you're in it. The market drops, the headlines are alarming, everyone sounds worried, so you think, let me pause for now, I'll restart when things feel safer. That instinct feels careful, it feels responsible, but it quietly works against you. When markets are down, your automatic investment buys more shares for the same amount of money. You're getting better prices, lower entry points, and when the market eventually recovers, those shares are worth more. Many of the largest single-day gains in market history happened immediately after major declines. You can't predict them. You only benefit if you stayed in. Stopping during a downturn feels safe. It costs you more than you realize. Mistake 3. Chasing what's popular. Every few years, something captures everyone's attention. A hot stock, a booming sector, a new technology. Social media fills with screenshots, people posting returns, stories of life-changing gains, and you feel it. Am I missing something? Is my boring index fund too slow? So some people sell stable investments to chase excitement. By the time it feels exciting to most people, the biggest gains are already behind them. They arrive late, they take more risk, and when it corrects, they panic and sell. Slow, diversified investing doesn't look impressive, but over time, it works. Mistake 4. Ignoring fees. Fees are invisible. You don't feel them, but they compound in reverse. 2 investors, same money, same contributions, same market returns. One pays 0.05%, the other pays 1%. That difference sounds small. Over 30 years, it can cost tens of thousands of dollars, sometimes more. Always check expense ratios and account fees. Low fees don't guarantee success, but high fees guarantee drag. Mistake 5. Using long-term investments for short-term problems. Unexpected expense, job change, emergency. And instead of using savings, people sell investments, often at bad times. Every time this happens, compounding resets. You lose future growth. This is why emergency funds matter. 3 to 6 months of expenses, separate, accessible, protected. They protect your investment system from real life. Mistake 6. Changing your strategy too often. 1 year, aggressive. Next year, conservative. Then balanced. Then aggressive again. Each change feels smart. Each feels justified. But frequent changes usually mean reacting, not planning. A good strategy should survive good years, bad years, and boring years. If you're rebuilding it every time headlines change, it never gets time to work. A brief, honest moment. Almost every long-term investor has made these mistakes. Most have made several. The goal isn't perfection. It's awareness, correction, and continuation. Resilience compounds too. Here's what disciplined investing looks like. You invest automatically. You rebalance occasionally. You ignore noise. You keep fees low. You protect savings. You stay boring, year after year. No drama, no shortcuts, just progress. Two people, same income, same opportunity. Person A stays consistent, ignores noise, never panics. After 20 years, they're secure. Person B pauses, chases trends, restarts often. After 20 years, they're still struggling. Same knowledge, different behavior, different outcome. Your biggest threat isn't the market, it's you on emotional days. That's why systems matter. They protect you from yourself. Take a moment. Which mistake were you closest to making? Awareness is the first upgrade. In the next video, we'll talk about how to grow your investing over time without burnout, without pressure, without stress. That's how people go from stable to ahead. This is Max's Money Lab, helping you think clearly about money, so it supports your life, not controls it.